Hi. Day 19 in how to fix your mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick, and I'm a mental health coach, and I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Paying it forward. Have you ever heard that expression? Paying it forward is about helping other people. It's not always about paying something with money. It could be giving a stranger a cup of coffee. You will certainly change the stranger's day, but you will also have made an impact on your own day and your own life. It can also be helping someone. Is there someone that you know who needs grocery shopping? Is there someone who needs help to walk and go over a street? Do you know a neighbor's child which bike needs fixing and you know how to fix it? Or do you come across somewhere where they're strangers and you have the ability to help them in some sort of way? It doesn't have to be about using money. It can be how you help. How do you help? Paying it forward and helping each other raises the mental awareness and actually raises your vibration and helps the people around you. So stay safe. Sorry, other way around. Take care and stay safe and pay it forward.